Breath is a small doorway with three gifts. First, breath speaks directly to the nervous system. A longer exhale can tell the body you are safe enough to soften. Second, breath gathers the mind. Length and how many breaths made are not the point itself. They are a ferry that brings us back from the extra thoughts to what is actually here. And third, breath is both automatic and responsive. It happens by itself, and it also listens to us. Because of that, breath becomes a bridge between habit and choice. Today is not about becoming a good breather. It is about meeting a friend you can return to. Before we start, please remember that nothing here should feel forced or heroic. If you feel dizzy, anxious, or uncomfortable, just return to your natural breath. You are always in charge of your practice. The best breath is the one that leaves you feeling a little more like yourself. As we go through the practice, you can remember that these are not techniques to achieve, but friends to come home to. When the mind becomes busy, the breath gives it a simple job. Counting or following the rhythm is not to escape experience, it is a return to it. We don't have to breathe just to get rid of thoughts. We breathe to come back from the ones we got lost in. If at any time striving appears, this is just information. Striving may mean that we have turned a friend into a project, and that we can often soften again. I now invite you to come into a position that speaks to you with ease, checking that the back is straight and everything else relaxes. The arms, the legs, the hands, softening the jaw, and even the eyes. Take a moment to feel the body here, the weight of the body being held, the feet touching the ground, the points of contact beneath you. Now, gently bring your attention to the breath. There is no need to control it. Just noticing that breathing is already happening. You might begin by noticing where the breath is easiest to feel. Is it through the nose? Maybe the chest? Or the belly? Choose one place and let your attention rest there. Feel the breath as it comes in and feel the breath as it goes out. Breathing in, I am breathing in. Breathing out, I am breathing out. And just being with the breath. Being with the rhythm of the breath, wherever it is for you. In, out, if the mind wanders, which is what minds do, when you notice it, gently bring your attention back to the next breath. Breathing in, I am breathing in. Breathing out, I am breathing out. You might silently say in as you breathe in, out as you breathe out, or just simply feel the movement. Nothing to improve, nothing to fix, just noticing. If it feels comfortable, you might let the out breath be a little bit longer, not forcing it, just softening, and then letting the next inhale come naturally. The breath can be a place to return to again and again. For the last few moments, let go of any effort. Just let the breath return to its own rhythm and simply notice. When you're ready, begin to notice the body again, the space around you, gently opening the eyes if they were closed. Thank you so much for your practice.